Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Now in today's video I want to show you a bit of kit that I've been sent by TomTom, the sat navigation people, and it's the Go Camper Max, and I want to do a full review of it because I've been testing it out now for the last 2 months. So let's get started. Let me show you exactly what's in the box. The TomTom Quick Start Guide. The main unit itself comes with a nice carrying case for when you take it off of the screen. It's got a nice large 7-inch screen which is 1024 by 600 pixels, 32 gigs of memory, 2 gigs of RAM, voice control and Wi-Fi for map update. The USB charging cable, the universal screen mount, and finally the 12 volt cigarette lighter to USB connector. Now, as full-time motorhomers, we actually live in the motorhome, and at the moment we're parked up in a friend's farmer's field. It's very nice, there's all wildlife goes on, all rabbits hopping about everywhere, very pleasant, but we're hunkered down here for probably a couple of months or so before we go away again. So what I've done, I've fixed the sat-nav into my car, and all the time over the last couple of months I've been using it, and I've really got to grips with it now on a day-to-day basis. Our motorhome is nearly 20 years old, and as such it didn't come with a production sat-nav system like the modern motorhomes do, which is a bit of a problem. We've been using the iPhone on Google Maps to navigate about, but that's really limited on a big vehicle like this. But having this new TomTom, I think I've found the perfect solution for this van. Its first obvious benefit is this screen and size and the clarity of it. Very impressed. 7-inch screen, it actually makes reading the directions so much easier than before. Now with this size, I also thought that the glare would be a problem, but not at all. The screen stays clear and it's readable even in bright sunlight. Of course you can personalise it to your own vehicle specifications, the length, width, height, weight, engine size, fuel type, speeds that you want to go on, roads that you want to miss out and avoid. There's so many, you can drill right down to so many different functions, and all these functions add up to prevent you getting stuck or going down any road that you shouldn't do or the vehicle can't fit. Certainly something that will take the stress out of driving, whereas I was a little bit nervous before with the iPhone method. Along the route it will show petrol stations, but not only the petrol stations, it will show the up-to-date fuel costs. So you know, the difference between travelling another 5 miles and saving yourself 20 quid, this thing may well pay for itself just by this fuel stops alone. Another brilliant feature. It's also loaded with world maps, and you get a lifetime free update with it, so you'll always have the latest maps on your sat nav. There's also a much more upgraded POI, points of interest, and it's got all the normal stuff, tourist attractions, hotels, etc. But they've also included a directory of campgrounds in the POIs, and if you drill down further there's much more information on each one, including addresses, telephone numbers. They've even given you their website. Now I'm a member of wildcamping.co.uk, and anything from there can be downloaded, and the Camper Max will store it ready for when you need it. You can also add scenic routing. Now what's that? Well, if you're like me and you prefer to go on a more scenic route, avoid the concrete motorways and there's no rush, this is going to be ideal for you. It'll plot the route that avoids all the boring concrete built up towns, and it will take you through the much more scenic villages, the scenic mountains and everything. It makes a much more pleasant drive, so you can plot an alternative route via this scenic route option. Now by tethering it to your phone you can get all the latest traffic updates, and it will tell you if there's a a traffic jam or hold up along the route, it will tell you how long it's for, and it'll ask you if you want to reroute around it, and it'll give you the time that you'll the extra time that it'll take, and whether or not it's worth it between going one way or staying in a traffic jam. Another feature that it comes with is 1 year free speed camera updates, live speed camera updates. Obviously you shouldn't be speeding anyway, but if you like to be forewarned of what's down the road, that's something to go for. It's after the year, it's a yearly subscription charge of $34.99 per year, and if you want to carry on, you get latest speed cameras, live fuel prices, and EV charging availability. So it's a really user friendly unit, easy to navigate around and easy to put in anything that you specifically want to know. And then when you're finished with it, just unclip it from the mount, put it in the protective case and store it away safely out of sight of anybody. And finally, there's my favourite part. If you go to plan.tomtom.com, you can create an account and you can pre-plot your route on your computer on the big screen, putting all everywhere where you want to stop and everything, and then you can sync it to this TomTom. How easy is that? So you can be sitting at home or sitting in your van the previous evening comfortably on your computer, plot a route for the next day. You can really dive into it, then sync it, and away you go. It's all ready for you the next morning. Very good feature, and that's all free. Now I've really tried to find a bad feature about this sat-nav, and everybody says, oh yes, but you know, it was a collaboration with TomTom, you're bound to say all the good things. But I've not found anything bad to say. The one thing that I think might be handy, the screen itself, when you're in the navigation screen, doesn't show the state of charge of the battery. Other units I've had before have got a little indicator up in the top right hand corner. This doesn't. You have to go back a couple of settings before you can find out the real charge. But I mean, to be honest, that's not crucial. But honestly folks, that's the only thing I can find wrong with it. The unit performed faultlessly, sent us to the right direction and the right place every time. Yeah, it's just a very good unit. I'd highly recommend it. So this brings me on to the final thing. As of today, June 2024, cost of the unit is £399 for the premium pack that I've got here, and that includes shipping, or £349 for the standard Go Camper Max. I've also got 10% discount for this one, and the links are in the description below, which is well in the ballpark for any quality sat-nav. So I think I'll end the video here folks. Thanks for watching. I hope you've got some information out of it. I've tried to show you as much as possible, but for now, take care, stay safe, and I'll see you on the next Rinky Nomads video. Bye for now.